press function, scroll to station. So next, so scroll so imbelidi matelde. So you have to, next is press call, it's already. So next is press next. So there is additional message, position, work channel, omit. So choose working channel. Next, it's channel 16. So you can choose another number, for example 67. Next is press next, then press send for call. Send call in progress, waiting for acknowledge. Acknowledge call received. Okay. Kita see here, you have to accept. Okay, so it's already, the number is 67. So you can start. It's next. So the number is already 67. So it's already start to call.